What's up, people? So we had that strong decline at the beginning of the day. That was the ruin card. If you go to tarotfortraders.com, you check out the forecast for today. In our blog, just search search the date. Otherwise, you're going to get a bunch of future stuff. In any case, you can follow along with what I'm saying there. And we had that sharp decline, which was the ruin card between 10 and 11. We should see some pushback to the upside now in the adjustment card. That'll likely break out through some sort of resistance, move even higher based on some news. Yeah, move even higher based on some news. It looks to me like we've got like a breakout through some sort of important resistance and then a drop back down below. That would be the high, the relation to the high card. That's what it's saying will happen around the high. The Hermit card also occasionally it'll speak of the same type of pattern, if you will, but it also has a lot more to do with like Congress, Senate, that sort of stuff. We are on the low side of the RSI. We just bounced off of the 20 RSI mark, which is also a strong indicator that we're going to move to the upside now. And that would go so far. I mean, we hit the low for this week, the low for the month thus far. Falls right in hand with the S&P 500 one month overview for September. If you're on the mailing list, you got that like weeks ago. So you would have seen this coming. It's a free mailing list. So go check it out, guys. Subscribe to the mailing list and you get a 1 month overview of what's going to happen in the S&P 500 every month, about roughly on like the 21st, we release the next month. In any case, look for some prominent moves to the upside. Looks to me like even possibly a new high for the day. A new high for the day. So between 11 and 1 o'clock, we're going to have basically like a big, it'll be like a peak through some sort of resistance level, but then we'll break down through that same price level again. And that's how we'll form the high. And sorry, they're doing construction next door. So annoying. And then we'll move back. You'll see as we enter towards the end of the day, we're going to have a sharp dip within a period of volatility. Should start roughly around like somewhere around 2 o'clock. There is a high correlator at the end of the day. It does look like we have some sort of crest at the end of the day. There's a trade opportunity coming up off of the highs here. So around noontime, between noon and 1, we should have a trade opportunity, and that'll be to the short side. So I'll be opening a put. Around 1 o'clock, we have that piece of news, and that should affect the markets as well. It looks to me like the best time to buy the put. There's a trade opportunity, like I said, between 12 and 1, but it looks like to me like the best time to buy the put is going to be around like 2 o'clock, give or take like 10 minutes. We should see that turn around relatively soon. In any case, guys, at the end of the day, there's that trade opportunity. That trade opportunity is to open some put positions. It looks to me like there's 3 opportunities. There's one between 12 and 1. There's one around 2 o'clock, anywhere between 2 and, let's say, 3:15, but most likely it'll be right around 2 o'clock. There's a sharp dip there. So I'd probably buy the puts a little bit before that. And then at the end of the day, just in the post market, we have another opportunity to open some short positions. There's a trade correlator to the following day. So on Monday, it looks to me like Monday, we're going to open at a very significant support level. So that'd be a good time for me to sell those puts and then watch it move to the upside with some calls. I'd probably sell those calls at some point. You'll have to see on Monday what I say. But in any case, we're doing pretty hot here with that 454 put that I purchased last week. I hope you guys were watching. You remember that, but I'm still holding that 454 put. Expires on the 15th. Most likely going to roll that. Actually, I just sold it. I sold it, and now I'm looking for that move to the upside. And at the move to the upside is when I'll buy a similar put, hopefully the same one, but for further out expiration. All right, guys, stay tuned.